Maybe gators are so cute. Oh, you recording?
Yeah.
Okay, guys. We got this, like, what do you say, like 1.5,
Yeah.
2 pound bass right here. We're just gonna give him the nice gentle release. Alright. And catch another one. That was on a weightless zoom trick worm. You know, a little bit of twitch, witch. You know what I mean? Because it's Halloween. Alright. Let me demonstrate for y'all real quick. Make a decent cast. And then just boom. Zoom again. Yeah, I get to my mouth for catching big fish. Another member of the squad has showed up. He has a net in his bag, looking like a straight hooligan. Moving at a swift pace though, as he comes to a stop next to me and RJ's bike. He sets the bike down slowly.
Sasaji.
He says Sasaji. He walks at a vigorous pace. As he keeps walking, he will come up to a drain. Little does he know that drain has a lot of snakes. Will he make it out alive? He has made it out alive. He's pulling up to me. Oh no. What's going on? He's moving at a vigorous pace. He looks kind of tired. Oh, taking the bag off.
What are you doing, bro?
He puts the bag. Oh.
This is how the pros do it. This is how the pros do it.
Show me how the pros do it again, Gus. I wasn't watching.
It's just a little flick, bro.
Is he gonna get a top water blow up though? That's the question.